In this chapter, we will talk about secondary flight controls. Secondary flight controls are intended to improve my aircraft performance characteristic or relieve the excessive control loading, and also consist high lift device. As a secondary flight controls, we can consider such as flaps. Flaps are located inner portion and the trailing edge of my wing, and we are able to see our wings above there. And also we can consider as a secondary flight controls trim tabs. We mostly use the elevator trim tabs, which is located at the trailing edge of the elevator. Some aircraft just has one elevator trim tabs, some of them has two elevator trim tabs, depending on which type of aircraft. We have also rudder trim tabs, which is located at the trailing edge of the rudder, and we have the aileron trim tabs as well. And we can also say that the spoilers as a secondary flight controls, and spoilers can promute up suddenly above the wing, and we are able to see this device mainly in the large aircraft such as the airliner. Now let's look how we control our trim tabs from the cockpit. For the elevator trim tab, we have some sort of valve. Generally it's located center pedestal, and we can rotate this valve for the pitch up or pitch down position. And also we can control by using the elevator trim tab, but some aircraft doesn't have this kind of device. And let's say one example to understand easily how we can control our elevator trim tab. Let's say we would like to climb the high altitude, and at that point we need to increase our back pressure, and my elevator will goes up, my tail will be goes down, and the nose will be goes high, and aircraft climb the high altitude. But end of the top of climb, I need to keep this back pressure. But engineers thinks about that and generate one device which is the trim tabs, and we can set our trim tabs to pitch up position. My elevator almost will be the neutral position, but my trim tab will goes up and aircraft will climb smoothly. And also I would like to mention the rudder trim, which is also important. I would like to give some example. If we are flying with the very strong single engine aircraft, this kind of aircraft always has the left tendency, and at that point I need to give to control the aircraft a bit right rudder. Also at the climb or giving the high amount of the power, I need to increase my rudder pressure. And thanks to the rudder trim, I can reduce my rudder pressure from the feet, and I can control the aircraft easily. The second scenario, if I fly with the multi-engine aircraft, and if I lose one engine, or if I close the one engine of the two, and it will be hard to control the aircraft. And maybe if it's the critical engine, I need to give full left or full right rudder deflection. And at that point, I can use the rudder trim tab to control the aircraft easily. As a conclusion, I would like to mention that trim tabs reduce the pilot workload and help to control the aircraft in the desired flight path. I strongly recommend that they use the trims as much as possible in almost every phase of the flight.